Keep your back straight. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Sit in a comfortable position, either in Vajra or in a cross leg posture. If you can't do these both, you can even sit in a chair also. It's not at all a issue. But always try to keep the back straight. Then slowly bring your focus towards your breath. Just bring your focus completely towards the breath. Feel your each inhalation and each exhalation. Watch your breath. Feel your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Always try to keep your eyes closed. By closing your eyes, we'll start to watch ourselves from inside. All the outer world connections will suddenly get disconnected and we'll get connected with ourselves more by just closing your eyes. And the breath. Breath is considered as the bridge between your conscious and subconscious. So while you are focusing on the breath, you'll become more aware on what you are doing. Now, more aware about your body and mind. Today we are going to do a body scanning meditation. We can call it like that, or which is called as the Vipassana meditation. Today we will do the simplest version of that. For that, focus just under your nostrils. Focus under your nostrils. There you can feel the breath. There you can feel the breath. While you inhale, a cool breath will hit there. You can feel how cool the breath is. While you exhale, the breath will become hot. Feel your breath. While you inhale, you can feel the breath is cold. And while you exhale, it will become hot. Wow. Just watch your breath. Feel your breath just under your nostril. Then slowly imagine a triangle there. A triangle which is connecting the tip of your nose and the both edges of your lips. A triangle which is connecting the tip of the nose and the edges of your lip. Just focus only inside that triangle, that is your boundary. Just try to feel what is happening inside that triangle. Just get a feel. Maybe the same breath. The cold breath, cold air, or warm air, or whatever it is. Just get a feel from there. Whenever you get a feel from there, you can slowly move the triangle to another part of your face. For example, you can move that triangle to your left eye. And there also do the same. Try to get a feel from there. Just a feel. Maybe a little cold or warmth. Or the eye muscles may shake a little or vibrate. Whatever it is, just get a feel. That's all. You don't need to control anything. Let it happen as it is. You just feel it. That's all. Whenever you get a feel from there, move the triangle to the next area of your face. Just use the triangle as a scanner. Just try to feel inside that triangle. Like that, move the triangle all around your face. Everywhere, just try to get a feel, that's all. You don't need to do anything more than that. Take your own time. Wait till you get a feel from a certain part. Keep only one thing in your mind. Don't forget any of the area. Make sure that you are covering your entire face without leaving any parts. Keep scanning your face. Whenever you get finished with the face, always remember you don't need to be hurried. Take your own time to finish the face. But whenever the entire face is finished, just move the triangle to your neck and the shoulder region. Only after finishing the face completely, slowly you can move the triangle down to the neck and shoulder region. Do the same. Just keep the triangle somewhere and try to get a feel from that area. Whenever you get a feel, just move the triangle to the next point. That's all. Whenever you finish with the neck and shoulder, only after finishing the neck and shoulder, slowly you can move the focus into your chest and hands. You can slowly move the triangle towards your chest and hands. You can start from your left finger, left hand's finger. Get a feel whenever you are getting a feel from the finger because it's a little easy. Move the triangle towards your palm. Back of the palm. Left wrist. The forearm, elbow, biceps, triceps, and deltoid. Then move the triangle all over your chest region. Move the triangle all over your chest region and slowly bring it to the right hand also. Take your own time. Take your own time. Whenever you finish with the chest and hands. Again, only after finishing your chest and hands. Take your own time there. It's a big area. No need to be hurried. Take your own time to finish each of the area, the points. But whenever you finish with the chest and hands, you can slowly move a little down to the upper abdomen region. To the upper abdomen region. Take your own time on the upper abdomen also. Then whenever you finish with the upper abs, just go to the lower abdomen. After finishing with the upper stomach, move the lower abs. Then after finishing the lower abs, slowly move to the hip. Then the legs, the thighs. Knees, knees, calf, heels, feet, and toes. And try to bring your entire focus towards the toes. Bring the triangle towards the toes. Try to get a feel from there. Take your own time to reach the toes. But slowly try to bring the triangle till the toes. Only after you finish to the toes, the travel towards the toes finished, the downward travel finishing there. After that, just make a reversal travel from the toes to the top of the head. Make a reverse journey from your toe to the top of the head, one by one, upwards. Take your own time for that. While you are going back, you can make the journey a little faster. For that, you can avoid something. You can wait some points for get a feel. If you are not getting a feel, just move the triangle from there to the next point. You don't need to wait so much for getting a feel. Like that, you can make the journey a little fast, the return journey. But then also, you don't need to be hurry. Just do it very smoothly. Take your own time to come back. Whenever you reach the top of the head, we'll finish one round of scanning. As a basic practice, we'll do it only for one round. For few days, try this. So whenever you reach at the top of the head, slowly focus back on the breath. Take a couple of deep breaths. Take a couple of deep breaths. And slowly rub your palms. Rub it. Then slowly place your palms on the eyes. The palms, not the fingers. Put the palms on the eyes. And feel the warmth of your hand and flow the energy towards your eyes from the head. Feel the flow of energy, and whenever you are comfortable, you can just release the hands and slowly open your eyes. Thank you.